Toko village is the place she calls home. A heart full of kindness, strength in her soul. God gave me a woman worth more than gold. She stood through the struggle, stood through the pain. 10 long years through distance and rain, but love kept burning like an island flame. True to her promise, true to my name. Oh, she never gave up, never let go, even when the road was long and slow. Patience, my love, you're my blessing from above. Clothed in forgiveness, wrapped in pure love. Across the oceans, through the years we stayed strong. Now we stand together where our hearts belong.
Patience, my queen, you're the light that I see. The greatest gift God ever gave to me. She walked the halls, healing people in pain. A doctor with wisdom and a caring heart's flame. But love called louder from faraway shores. For husband and children, she opened new doors. She left her homeland, her work and her pride, to build our future, standing by my side. That kind of love you can't buy or pretend. That's the love that lasts until the very end. Patience, my love, you're my blessing from above. Clothed in forgiveness, wrapped in pure love. Across the oceans, through the years we stayed strong. Now we stand together where our hearts belong. No guleo, no gudalo mani. Na yalom, bula bula dina. Maina sotoko, otubukina. Naloloma, sengani mudu. Ovo sochia, enaga unakete. Ede ituga, nanoda loloma. Ova kabina vina, kavua na kalum. Nisolia beya una watigu. Patience, no kumarama lomani. Na nogu bula, na nogu marao. From Fiji shores to the UK sky, my love for you will never die. Lonely nights and the waiting years, through the silent prayers and the hidden tears. Now our vows renewed, hand in hand we stand, building our future in a distant land. Patience, my love, you're my blessing from above. Clothed in forgiveness, wrapped in pure love. From Navosa mountains to where we stand today. My queen, my wife, you're my forever Navosa. Your love crossed the sea for me. Patience, my island queen.